Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well and I hope you're having an amazing day, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can link your YouTube account, or your YouTube channel rather, to your Battle.net account. So let's get right into it. First, before I get into how you actually do it, I'll explain to you guys how you usually connect apps to Battle.net, and you do that by logging into your account. I am logged in on the website, and once you are, go to your account settings by hovering over your name and clicking on account settings. Go into connections, and here you can connect to all these apps, namely Apple, Facebook, Google, Xbox Network, Nintendo, PlayStation Network, Steam, and Twitch. That is how you usually do this for several applications. However, this is not the way you do this for YouTube. To actually do this for YouTube, you need an open channel on YouTube. And once you have an open channel, you have a connected applications setting in your options, and you can do it via there. Now, as you can see, if you Google it, you will see this support article on Blizzard or Battle.net. And once you're here, you will have the option to link it to YouTube, which states the steps as following. Log into the account, go to the YouTube Connected Apps page, and just click Connect to Battle.net and follow the instructions. If you follow this link, you'll be taken to here. And as you can see, the second option is Battle.net. You can also link Activision as well. But yeah, just click Connect again, and click Connect Accounts. And then you will be able to connect your accounts. As you can see, you can choose which account you want. Battle.net ID is required. Just click Allow. And after that is done, it's a simple process. Your accounts will be connected, and that is that. I hope you guys enjoyed this and found this helpful, and I'll see you guys in another video.